this video I'm going to talk about how to find the norm of a vector. And I'm not gonna use integer because when you're doing your first linear algebra exam and course and class, you're gonna be happy because you're gonna have integers and numbers that are pretty. They're gonna be like, oh yeah, it works. But in real life scenarios, like in encoding and so on, you're not gonna have integers. I mean, it's very unlikely that you're going to have integers. So I'm going to do it with numbers that are not integers, just to simulate a real life scenario. So let's suppose we want to find the norm of this vector. 2.81, 3.68, and 2.81. I always repeat this for the Americans among you. This is the European notation. When I write this, I actually mean point. So this is 2.81, but I'm not gonna write a point because I got used to use the European notation. So anyway, this is our vector, and I want to find the norm. So you're gonna find the norm written like this, with two, like the absolute value but double. So the norm of a vector is basically the square root of all the elements of the vector raised to the power of 2. So you have 2.81 raised to the power of 2 plus 3.68 raised to the power of 2 plus 2.81 raised to the power of 2. So you basically have 7.8961 13.5424 and plus 7.8961, and if we take the square root of this, this is going to be, the addition is going to be 29.3346, which is about, the square root of this is about 5.42. And no, I'm not a wizard. I do have the Casio FX 220 Plus here. So yeah, I'm not a wizard. Doing the the square root of this, in my mind and rounding it up. So this is basically how you find the norm of a vector. Let's do one more example. Just, it's very easy. Let's suppose we have this other vector, which is, let's do something simple. 3, 5, 8. So something with integers this time. This is our vector C. I want to find the norm. So the norm of C is going to be all the elements of C raised to the power of 2. So 3 raised to the power of 2 plus 5 raised to the power of 2 plus 8 raised to the power of 2, the square root of all this. So this is going to be the square root of 9 plus 25 plus 64, which is 98, and the square root of 98 is crap, what a bad example. Gotta use my calculator again. This is about 9.9. Yeah. Okay. This is pretty much it. This is how you find the norm of a vector.